Bigor mentioned, my name is Meredith, and I'm the first violin in Philharmonia this year. And the second piece that we're going to perform tonight is The Romance by William Grant Still. Now, Still was a prominent American composer in the early to mid 20th century, and he was an African American composer. And due to his skill as a musician and a composer, he achieved significant fame for many decades. And he is known for being the first African American composer to conduct his own piece with a major American symphony. And he wrote the piece in dedication to a contemporary of his, who's a saxophone player. And the piece highlights the lyrical capabilities of the saxophone. The piece has a wide dynamic and melodic range, but it also has a soothing warmth throughout the piece, as you'll hear. And playing this piece taught us how to blend the color and volume of our sound so that we are able to match the soloist's artistic expression. And as I mentioned, this piece has an alto saxophone solo, which will be performed tonight by the wonderful Dr. Creviston, who's one of our professors here at ASU. And we've had an absolute blast working with him to put this piece together. So without further ado, this is William Grant Still's Romance. And please join me in welcoming Dr. Creviston to the stage.